Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is another look that I've done this year. I've actually recreated one I did last year, but kind of just like upgraded it a little. My hair was in braids last night and most of today, so when I took it out I was actually going to curl my hair. Then I added a little bit of back comb and I thought, oh, it actually looks kind of cute. So this is just a really quick and easy one. I mean, this year we don't know will I'll be able to go anywhere, do anything, but me personally, I know if I'm still at home, I'm still going to do something with my boyfriend or whoever I can mingle with in my bubble. But yeah, so it's just a really quick and easy one to do, and the only downfall is that the lips can smudge a little, but easily fixed as well. So just like a little bit of black shading all around. I'll list everything below. It's going to be a voiceover one again as well, because I'm into the voiceover ones at the moment because I'm just trying to concentrate while I do my face. Yeah, the little studs I used, it actually came in from a nail set I got ages ago, so I won't be able to find a link for them, but it's just that if I turn down the ring light you might be able to see a little bit better. This was just like a little set I got in a pack for like nails, so yeah, you can pick them up literally anywhere. Yeah, I'm going to turn down the light just so you can see a little bit more. You can see it came out really nice, just like a bit of shade, and you could always add like a cobweb somewhere or something. I always think less is more sometimes, unless you're going for the full-on special effects kind of thing, then you kind of want to go all out. But this is just kind of a pretty look. This I also got last year, so I won't be able to link that, but it was just at like a pound shop or something. I mean, there's loads more you could do to upgrade this look. You could add it down your neck and along your collarbone, but personally, if I was to wear this out, I would just wear this with like a black outfit and I'd be just a sexy skeleton, I guess, or whatever you want to call it. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, or will enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Check out my Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you in the next one. So I started my foundation concealer without pressing play, but I used the Ordinary, and then I used some Maybelline, would all be linked below. So then I went in with some powder after like blending it out. Obviously I went in then and popped some powder all over, and I wanted it to be quite heavy because I did want to look quite glam for this and like a porcelain doll almost effect. But use whatever setting powder works best for you. I like to use this one when I want my under eyes to really pop because it's quite white, and I just put that all over my face in the areas I needed it to be. So I hope you like my little transitions in between, little swirl. So then I really like this Rimmel bronzer that I like to use to contour and chisel out my cheeks, but I also like to use it just to bronze up my face as well. And it's handy because it has the 3 different colors, so it just depends on where you want more shaded or more contoured is where you want to put it. But if you want me to do a video and like a bit more about contouring and some brands, let me know. Sorry if I'm stuttering, I'm just trying to get this done because I need to upload it tonight. But yeah, so then I just went all over. So I went ahead and did one side of my face just to see exactly what I was doing, and then I did the other. So I went in and just filled in my brows. I didn't really want anything particularly different about them, but I just went in and did them, and I always tidy up afterwards. So I'll have everything linked below for eyeshadows and everything. So I'm just gonna let this play with the music, so it's pretty self-explanatory. Just use some black, cut it out, and then pop some pink on top with the diamonds. So I'm just gonna let this all play through, and I hope you enjoy it. So back here we're using the same black again from the Morphe's palette. I had linked below again. So we just want to contour wherever you contour, plus on the forehead, and then in between you're going to add some highlighter. So I just use a slight little pencil just to try get it the same as the other side. But you can see the darker your contours, the more contoured you look, the more chiseled you look, I guess. So yeah, I'm just going to let this play through as well, because it's more something you need to visually see to get rather than me explain. Then I went in with some eyeliner and did my nose, so one little bit pointier than the other, and then just filled it in with some black eyeshadow, and I went back over and darkened it over before I ended it as well. And yes, then here I am just adding highlighter, because wherever you put the highlighter is where the light is going to hit, and it's going to look more out and predominant, and then you want the darker bit to kind of shadow away so your face does look a little bit more chiseled. And then for the next bit, I took out my hair, and I thought the curls I had in overnight were really cute, so I left them in and just gave a little bit of back combing for the final bit. So then here I am just adding in the teeth, the kind of skeleton looking teeth. So this is like a basic Halloween look, but it's super cute with like a black outfit or something. I would totally wear it just to go along with. And yes, I'm just going to fast forward this, and you just add the lines wherever you want it to go and wherever you want it to be. And then I just darkened up my waterline as well. I mean, the downside this of course is as you drink during the night, it'll probably wash off and stuff, but even if your lips stay a bit black, it still works all together. Then I just added some black, and I added some lashes. I used the sosume Envy lashes. I absolutely love them. I think they go with so many things. They're not too dramatic. And then I added the necklace, which again I think I got in Home Store more last year, and this is the final look. How cute is this? I absolutely love how it turned out, and it was a bit of an upgrade from last year. I'll pop the photo in, and yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you're enjoying these little short videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.